Okay, right now this is the oven, this is the stove, nobody use it. Okay, you can see the second knob lights is a white color. This oven knob is white color. There show convection bake off, and this one you can see there's no any color. But these two knobs, if you use, you can go to the right and go back. Okay, see, it can go back. So right now, two ovens is no function. So I cannot show. If I go to the test mode, so the model ID already changed the one time, reset. So for the element control, you can see we go to the functions are okay. All functions are okay. Yeah.